Hello everyone, my name is Arnav Suman. I am the team leader of Advanced Drone Pollution Monitoring System ADPMS.
And I am Sahil Vishin.
I am Sambhav.
The pollution in India and all over the world comes from industrial and vehicle emissions, waste burning, and dust. The worst period for air pollution comes between October and November due to different reasons like stubble burning, forest wildfire, etc.
Monitoring the sources that causes air pollution is very difficult and time consuming. Surveillances of farms, factories, towns and rivers by police or state pollution control board can often be misleading and very inaccurate.
Industrialists often bribe state pollution control boards officials so that their factories can be exempted from strict actions. Also, it is not physically possible to keep any eye on the countries each and every factory. Exposure to high levels of pollution can cause a variety of adverse health outcomes. So, the need arises of drone-based automated system that doesn't need the human interference to function and maintain accuracy.
So our team has created an innovative solution which is called ADPMS, which is Advanced Drone Pollution Management System, in which the drone's footage will be monitored by our software which will detect the sources of pollution. Automating the whole pollution monitoring system will benefit common people the most, as the tradition of bribing the police officer or the state population board control officers will end, and quality of life will improve, and people will breathe in fresh air thinking that drones are doing their duty.
Our software has a T-Kinter GUI that allows the user to log in only with his employee name, employee ID, and location of the field being surveyed, and automatically creates a CSV file that stores these information along with login logout time and the file names of all the images being captured. With the click of a button, our software will upload all these files to a Google Drive account. One of the main motives of our project was to create a tamper-proof system. So we have created multi-level security features such as only an authorized user can use the software, and our software will self-upload all the captured images to a Google Drive server, and later these images will be permanently deleted from the system along with creating and uploading a backup video as a safety feature. And images can only be uploaded when a token key is given to the system by the user. The token key is only valid for 60 minutes, so the user can only upload these images once in a day. The user cannot alter the uploading and deletion of the images, only the admin has that privilege. Now I will give you a demo of the advanced drone pollution monitoring system in action.
So let's start the demo. Cell run all. It will run in 5 to 6 minutes, and after that we need to play it. Enter employee name. For example, my employee name is Arnav Suman. Employee ID is test 101. Location is Kolkata. Login. So we successfully logged in. If someone enters the wrong name like Arnav Madhav and tries to log in, invalid login credentials. If even if the name is correct but employee ID is wrong, like invalid login credential, please try again. So test 101, location Noida, login. Welcome Arnav Suman. Launch webcam. So right now I do not have a drone, so we'll be using a video file. So let's launch webcam. So this is the video feed that is coming from the audio file. Pollution is capturing. So press space, capture images, press R to start recording, and S to stop recording, escape to capture. Escape to stop the video feed. Cross it, Okay, upload images. It will take some time to upload based upon your internet speed. It is staying white, that means it is uploading the images. Uploaded successfully. So let's see what we have captured. Image. These are the images captured, and here is the backup video file. Okay. Now quit application. So so all the files have been removed that were captured earlier. So let's see. Folder is empty. Image folder is all empty. It also has saved a CSV file with all names of the files that were saved. ADPMS. So the file names are appended at the bottom. So here are the three files and the backup video. The time of logging out 203, 202, and the login time 200 hours. Name, ID, location, file names, and it is uploaded in the Google Drive folder of the respected account. Here, here are the three images and the video backup file. So in case you are facing any error, you can use a chatbot feature with our software. You need to follow these instructions at the bottom of the page. Open Anaconda and type python main.py. It will take some time to download all the required files, and here you can see that you can now start talking. Let's type hi. It says, hey, what is your name? It says, my name is Bot and I am here to help you. Just ask me anything. So let's ask him something. The program shows tokens not. So Bot says, please ask your admin to give you a valid set of tokens. Okay, let's ask him another question. How do I operate the program? So it has given a detailed output of how we can use the program. Okay, now when you are done, you need to press quit. Thanks for visiting. The program has ended. So now I will give you a demo of the app that we have made for the client side.